Hey guys, welcome to 2025. Can you believe that? It's nuts.
It's crazy.
It's got to be an age thing. I remember my parents always saying time goes faster as you get older.
The time definitely flies.
But having said that, we had an awesome 2024. And we had an awesome 2024 because of you guys. So, December 25th.
Yes.
What happened?
Day.
Christmas Day. What was our present?
Our present on Christmas Day was all you fabulous people helping us reach our 1,000.
You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. It actually warmed my heart a little bit, actually.
It totally did.
That you guys just like watching our stuff, and that's really why we do this. Is just it started as something for ourselves, but then grew into something that became more fun to do. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was amazing that you guys did that little push. We didn't think it was going to happen.
No.
Not even close.
Not even close. Not in a million years did we think we were going to achieve this on time. We obviously hoped. There a lot of growth in the channel in 2024.
And we appreciate each and every one of you so much. You have no idea. We are a small channel that actually appreciates each and every one of you.
Yes.
Every sub counts and every view counts and each one of you counts.
Exactly.
So we wanted to say thank you, and we hope to keep giving you good stuff in 2025.
That's our goal, to produce. So in this past year, we actually put out 46 videos.
We did. For people that work full time,
exactly.
That's not bad. Let's face it, we'd be doing it regardless, but we love filming it so you guys can come along with us.
Exactly. So the reason we're here today is?
We've come up with our top 5 things, I guess. I don't want to call it spots. Don't want to call it camps. I don't want to call it friends, faces. It's our top 5 things. And what we're going to do is before each one, we're going to explain to you why it's our top.
And it wasn't easy to choose 5.
God, no. Out of 46?
Yeah.
It was tough.
It was tough.
And we've met so many amazing people this year. We've done so many amazing things with those people. And all those people know who they are. But this has been, I'm humbled by the people we met this year.
Yes.
To be honest.
And shamelessly, we're going to plug, if you are new to watching this channel at this moment, hit that sub button. So that being said, number 5.
So number 5 was special. Actually, I know we both talked about how we're going to talk about, but let's change it up. Let's talk about how it was special to you and how it was special to me. So it was special to me because it was so simplistic, but yet at the same time, the people that we were with and the conditions that happened made it amazing. Not to mention, out of nowhere, we met another YouTuber.
Yes.
Dislifeoforz.
Yes.
So for me, it was special because of the people we were spending time with. And when we woke up, I get very humdrum at Christmas sometimes, I guess because we miss so much family.
Yes.
And when I woke up that morning and it was so snowy, it was just magical to me. So that's why number 5 is special to me.
Yeah, you know what? It's quite honestly very, very similar. The snow. Living in Vancouver, we don't see a lot of snow. So for us to get out into the mountains and see the snow was absolutely magical. And like Walt said, it gave that Christmas feel, that Christmas vibe.
Yeah, kind of warmed you up inside for me.
Exactly.
Anyways.
And I mean, the whole experience was amazing in the brand new tent. And first and foremost, of course, the amazing people we were with. I mean, this has been quite a year meeting spectacular people, and I'm sure this will be a common theme throughout this, but the people definitely.
Yeah, I hope it continues in 2025.
Exactly. So,
having said that, here's number 5.
Drug that I just can't deny. Give
All right, so that brings us to number 4. So number 4 was what's becoming an annual trip for us, but it definitely had its differences this year.
Definitely different than last year. We did 2 nights, 3 days, and it was so much fun, but it was challenging.
It's a blast. Even though it was so challenging, and you're going to see the name of the video in the clip, so go back and watch it. I won't spoil it for you, but God, it was, yeah, there was, people were starting to break. It was like, people were starting to break, and mechanically, some broke. So you might want to check it out, but it's definitely, I would call our number 4 for this year.
4, yes, and we will definitely be going back, and the people were awesome.
Yeah, no, the people we're with were great. We surround ourselves with some pretty amazing people, and we are literally thankful for them every day. Not even just when we're with them, we're thankful for them every day. And it came through on this trip. Yeah, there was some tense moments, but everybody came together and the job got done and everybody got home safe. So
The theme, No Man Left Behind.
give it a watch. Which brings us to number 3. So, give it a little backstory on that one.
So number 3 was inspired by our interview with Wes Kibble on 4x4 Canada podcast.
Which I've got to say was an amazing experience, and he's an amazing person.
He is. And we just felt like we needed to meet him, and he invited us to Kamloops, and off we went for 2 nights and 3 days.
But it wasn't just Wes. He invited his friend, Terry Ann, which we had already been following on Instagram. And it just became this magical trip. It's a 2-part video. So the title on the second one is not so much the first one, correct? Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because there's 2 titles.
There is 2 titles. The one we are more specifically showcasing in this video is day 2.
Yeah. So make sure you go back and check day 1, because these people are amazing, and it's why it's our number 3.
Exactly.
So this brings us to number 2. This was kind of one of those ones that really warmed the cockles, let's say. We met so many amazing people at one time.
We did. We spent 3 nights and 4
4
days.
And yeah, we were up early, make sure we're on the first ferry. I know it's tough for you. But we were so excited to meet these people. There was this trip put on by some now friends of ours, and it was an amazing trip. It opened up new territory. It opened up new scenery. It was
whole new beauty.
Yeah, it totally changed everything we've been doing in 2024.
Exactly. This trip, we are showcasing day 2 in this video. Day 1, there was 4 of us.
Yes.
And day 2, there was 3 of us.
4 couples.
Yes.
Yeah.
All YouTubers, we'll link them in the description. You gotta go.
They'll all be there. They'll all be there. We can't leave our homies behind.
Exactly. It was such a beautiful, beautiful.
It really was. It was a beautiful thing. Even up to when we had to leave, we felt so much love. Like they were like, call us when you get home. And the funny part about that series was we didn't even know there was this big storm that was about to happen.
Yes.
That bomb cyclone, like, because we were out of touch. And so when we got back, we got like one of the last ferries, I think.
Oh, we got lucky.
Yeah, we totally got lucky. But when we left our friends, it was such a loving thing. They were like, call us when you get home. Sorry, I got off track there. Yeah. And then we went through the mountain pass and there was all this snow again. We're like, oh God, something's going on. Well, we didn't know.
We didn't know.
But having said that, check it out.
Definitely check it out.
Which finally brings us to number 1.
This was
Your thoughts on number 1?
This was our longest trip to date, I would say.
Oh, stressful.
We did
4 days or 4 nights, 5 days, I think.
4 nights.
We
5 days.
We cut it short because I was tired of the smoke, to be honest.
So yeah, it was August. It was full BC fire season.
We even went early to try to avoid it. But having said that, the Kootenays just got literally days before we left lit up.
Absolutely. Mother Nature threw us
A huge curveball. God.
so many disappointments, but
It ended up being number 1 because of everything we overcame. For me.
yes.
Anyway, I'm banging this. Sorry, guys.
And I will say, if you please go back and watch this video, and I will apologize in advance, the emotion of the scenery, I did say a few
Yeah, we got in
words.
trouble from some viewers saying we're swearing. My apologies in the edit because I didn't want to lose the raw emotion of her.
It was.
She was in awe of what we were going through. I didn't want to edit that out. I wanted to keep it even at the...
It actually makes me emotional right now. It was so absolutely nothing we'd ever seen before.
No, it was pretty amazing, so go check it out. Yeah, for me, it was pretty intense. I've never seen that kind of landscape before, at least in our truck. And to try to drive through it, for me, that's where my thing was. It was new. It was new. If you go back and watch, you'll see. But guys, that's why it's our number 1. When you come around the corner to a site like this, not just a site, but a site with a presence, It's pretty humbling, actually, and it really puts things into perspective. The thing is so impressive.
Get more driver. Line up. One more. Okay, straight. Straight. Up passenger. Okay, straight. One more driver. Okay, straight off.
I'm not driver, it's okay. And we're out. Okay.
Oh, we are right on the edge of the snow on this side.
Yep, right on the edge of the cliff on this side.
Okay, cool.
Whoa.
Oh, this is hands down one of the most amazing things yet. And we've done some cool shit.
Yeah, this is pretty sick.
Holy shit, we are at the tip of the glacier. Toe, I guess.
Toe?
Toe, not the tip, toe. Oh, wow.
So guys, welcome to 2025. We are so looking forward to produce some amazing content for you guys. We would love to keep you entertained. I know I will, because I'm kind of a moron most of the time. But we're hoping the scenery and the trips and everything else. But just keep in mind that not every weekend can be an amazing mountaintop adventure. But we'll always be out there. We'll always be out there filming, and we do it for ourselves, and we want to bring you with us.
Having said that, we hope you all have the best 2025, and we are probably looking to get another 500 by the end of the year, so give us a hand.
Just 500? Yeah, we'll see. Cheers, guys.